What's the meaning of bystander? Bystander. Bystander.
Bystander. Bystander. A bystander is a person who witnesses an event or situation without being directly involved in it. They may observe the event from a distance or be nearby but not actively participating. Bystanders can play a crucial role in shaping the outcome of events, as they have the power to intervene or speak up when they witness something wrong or harmful taking place. However, many people choose to remain passive and not get involved, which can contribute to the perpetuation of negative situations. Overall, being a bystander carries both responsibility and potential impact.